Welcome to the Texas Probate System video tour. We'll show you some of the features of the system, how to find them, and how you can use them. To access your Texas Probate System online, go to texasbarpractice.com and log in. Go to your account page. Find your manual listed under Subscriptions and click Go to Product to open your manual. To begin, we strongly recommend you read the How to Use This System documentation to learn more about how the system works. The system contents can be accessed in several ways. First, by clicking the Contents button on the home page. This opens the Contents Quick Guide, which explains and links to the different kinds of documents in the system. You can also access the contents by clicking one of the groups found on the Table of Contents panel. Each title expands to show links to the contents within. Clicking on the title will open the document to view in the main window. If you would like to download this content for your client's estate, click the icon in the top right corner. You will receive a download of the document in your preferred format, and you can now edit, save as, and store your modified file, along with your client's other contents. To search for specific content, type keywords in the search window. Search results appear as links in the main window. Note that each search opens a new tab in your browser, so you may easily return to view the search results again should you need to. To use the Bookmarks function, click the Bookmarks button to open the Bookmarks panel. Bookmarks are organized into groups. For example, you can create a group containing bookmarks you want to use for a particular client's estate. Give your group a name and click the Add Group button. To bookmark a page, click Add Current Page to Group. You can then add notes. Remember to click the orange Save button. It will turn gray to confirm the bookmark is saved. You can delete a bookmark by clicking the trash can icon. You can delete an entire group by clicking the X at the right of the group. A pop-up window will ask you to confirm your choice to delete the group. The check plan will act as an invaluable guide on your journey through the Texas Probate System. We created a reference check plan panel to allow you to view the check plan contents even as you navigate through other system documents. To use the reference check plan, click the tab at the right of the home page to open the reference check plan panel. Use the drop-down menu to go to different items in the check plan. The check plan is designed as an interactive planning document, and we highly recommend using the Probate Workbook in Excel to input client data. The Probate Workbook integrates the check plan, master information list, significant dates list, and a full set of worksheets into one Excel document that auto-populates client data you provide into relevant fields. Click the Probate Workbook Downloads button to obtain your workbook download. You can view the check plan in the main window by clicking the View Check Plan and Print button. Click the PDF icon to print the check plan. The Probate Pathfinder is a wizard that interactively guides you through Worksheet 1. Access the Pathfinder by clicking the link on the home page. Select the answer to each question. The Pathfinder will provide links to relevant special instructions and assign a procedure. You can sort your Table of Contents panel for relevant results using the procedure code. Select your procedure code in the drop-down menu to filter results. To see all the system's documents again, reset the drop-down menu to the All Contents selection. Probate Essentials are accessed from the Essentials item in the Contents panel. They include one-click downloadable bundles of materials curated by the system's author committee. Click the View Contents link to see what's included in each bundle. Click the Learn More button to view additional resources such as an extensive list of CLE articles with links to the articles, further information about the Texas Probate System and helpful links, important information about the Texas Bar Books Toolbar plugin for Microsoft Word, and information about our contributors and staff. You can also access your Texas Bar Practice account from within the Texas Probate system. Click the profile icon to go to your account page. Thanks for watching.